Kajing Lekai jong kasngi baar haka state level Subroto Mukherjee Cup football tournament kabalalong hapo nong basilong menta kasngi ka arfnyo trik unaitung haka ba kiken hun Lekai jong ka under 14 boys lapin Lekai yaki hapo madan jong ka Sports Authority of India kabadan hapo nihu baja kiken hun Lekai jong ka under 17 girls lapin Lekai yaki hamadan jong ka molai madan he kabadan hapo molai phutmuri bat yakiken hun Lekai jong ka under 17 boys lapin Lekai hapo kamadan Lekai jong ka MFA Turf Polo Ground Shillong. Haga jinge khun jong ka under 17 boys haga por khandai steng step ka Songsak Deficit Secondary School ka Lapilim no ya ka Little Star English Medium School da Sigol lanon. Haga jinge khun jong ka under 17 boys haga por khatwei bujem step ka Balang Maulongwer Higher Secondary School ka Lapilim no ya ka St Thomas Higher Secondary School da Sangol lanon. Haga jinge Lekai jong ka under 17 boys haga por khat steng ka Iwapung Higher Secondary School kalay khat no bat ka Risobel para Government Upper Primary School Damar Sigol.